So now in the our abdomen anatomy part, maximum question will be shifted to the surgery, but in the anatomy, yes, you will see better the boundaries of the our epiploic foramen. So I had given the example of the Pringles maneuver for all of you. So just one quick revision better. This is the epiploic foramen, which is the communication between the superior and yes greater sac and the lesser sac. So superior bond is formed by the liver, got it, process. Inferior bond is formed by the first part of the duodenum, very important. Yes, entry bond is formed by the vein, artery and the duct within the lesser omentum. Posterior bond is formed by the, yes, you can remember the Indian standard time IST. Inferior vena cava, suprarenal gland and T12 vertebra. इतना जरूर पढ़ना, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Yes, you can go for the detailed video also. Now the ligament in the our anatomy, the ligament parts are there. So can you see this is the transverse section of the abdomen. So just try to understand, sir, this is the stomach. Yes, so the fold of the peritoneum anteriorly, sir, this is our ventral mesogastrium जिसको हमने VMG कहा था, and here is the our dorsal mesogastrium जिसको हमने DMG कहा था. Do you remember? दिमाग. क्या मेरे पास दिमाग नहीं है? यस, मेरे पास दिमाग भी है, मेरे पास विमाग भी है. सो कैन यू रिकॉल? सो इन द आवर विमाग देयर इज अ डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द लीवर, एंड इन द आवर दिमाग देयर इज अ डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द स्प्लीन. सो नाउ डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द लीवर, इट इज डिवाइडिंग इन द ventral mesogastrium into the ventral part and the dorsal part, and in the similar way spleen is dividing into the our yes dorsal ventral part and the dorsal part. Agree beta? Now there is a rotation in the GIT in this way and in that way. So what is happening, sir? This is the our ventral part of the ventral mesogastrium which gives rise to the falciform ligament. Got the point? This is the NEET PG question na, falciform ligament. And the dorsal part of the ventral mesogastrium, it is giving rise to the lesser omentum. खत्म, इतना ही बस याद रखना है. Yes, the ventral part of the dorsal mesogastrium, it is giving rise to the gastrosplenic ligament, and the dorsal part of the dorsal mesogastrium, it is giving rise to the rhinorenal ligament. But right now in the FMG exam, this rhinorenal ligament has been asked. Remember, one question sure from the peritoneum or the content. Okay, sir. Now look, sir, this is the our yes falciform ligament, lesser omentum. This is our what? Gastrosplenic ligament. Sir, this gastrosplenic ligament is having the short gastric vessels, MCQ. While this is the dorsal part of the dorsal mesogastrium which is making the rhinorenal ligament, and it is having the connection, it is having the content splenic vessels. And if you are having the knowledge of this one, liver is here, stomach is here, spleen is here, kidney are here, and this is the vertebra, you can easily crack. Sir, this is the vertebra, sir, this is the our aorta, inferior vena cava, this is the liver, and this is our stomach, and this is the our spleen, and here is the pancreas. Yes, radiology is nothing, it is the shadow of the anatomy. Now try to understand better. Yes, along with this our free margin of the lesser omentum, there is the vein, artery, duct. So it appears just like the face of the Mickey Mouse. Yes, portal vein, bile duct, and our you can say the hepatic artery. So it is just appearing like the face of the Mickey Mouse. So this is the Mickey Mouse sign. We discussed the differential diagnosis at our detailed class. Okay, sir. Now look here, the few important relation. Look here beta, sir, this is the first part of the duodenum, D1 L1, D2 L2, D3 L3. So foramen of Winslow at the T12 level. So this is the location of the pancreas. Remember the head of the pancreas within the C loop of the duodenum, and the tail of the pancreas in the our splenic hilum. Yes, it is rich in the beta islet cells. So if you are doing the splenectomy, the complication may occur the diabetes mellitus. MCQ, yes, D1 2 inches, D2 3 inches, D4 4 inches, D4 is the smallest 1 inch. So total length of the duodenum, don't forget. Okay, yes, समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं बेटा? ठीक है? Yes, focus बेटा. We had already completed the major portion. Just give me the half an hour. All the things we are completed. Okay, we are completing all the things. So 10 inches means 25 centimeter. What are the different structures having the 25 centimeter? So can you recall? Yes, dudes. Hey dude, D for duodenum, U for ureter, D for yes descending colon, E for esophagus, and S for stomach. Okay, hope you are getting the point. Yes. चलो थोड़ा concentrate करो बेटा, concentrate करो. चलो मैं एक जादू दिखाता हूँ, सिर काटने वाला जादू. आबरागडाबरा, गिली गिली छू. बेटा आखिरी टाइम आ गया है, हमको ध्यान से पढ़ाई करनी है, मस्त होकर पढ़ाई करनी है, भूलना नहीं है चीजों को. ओके, तो चलो आप सभी लोगों के लिए पढ़ाई करने के लिए हम अपना गला भी काट सकते हैं. सो गेट रेडी फॉर दिस वन. जय काली कलकत्ते वाली, तेरा वचन न जाए खाली. यस, ध्यान से पढ़ाई करो, बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाई करो, अदरवाइज सिर काट के भी मैं पढ़ा सकता हूं. ओके, घोस्ट राइडर बन के भी पढ़ा सकता हूं. सिर पूरा गायब है. अच्छे से पढ़ना है, ध्यान से पढ़ना है, रेडियोलॉजी हर चीज को इंटीग्रेट करके पढ़ रहे हैं, मिकी माउस साइन भी पढ़ रहे हैं, कुछ भी चीज नहीं छूट रहा है, 3 बार पढ़ चुके हैं, भूलना ही नहीं चीजों को। ओके, और इसके साथ में इस बार तो आज हिमालय की चोटी से फिर हमने ललकारा है, दूर हटो है दुनिया वालों, नीट पीजी एग्जाम हमारा है, हम तो एग्जाम देने के लिए बैठे हुए हैं, लेकिन एग्जाम हो ही नहीं रहा है, हो ही नहीं रहा है, हो ही नहीं रहा है। एग्जाम जो है वो डर चुका है, लेकिन अब हम छोड़ेंगे नहीं। यस, हम सभी पास ऑलरेडी हो चुके हैं, सिर्फ इंतजार है कागज का। सो होप यू आर गेटिंग द पॉइंट। चलो ऑल द बेस्ट, अच्छे से पढ़ना है। यस, आबरा गडाबरा गिली गिली छू। सो नाउ आई एम कमिंग बैक। जय काली कलकत्ते वाली, तेरा वचन न जाए खाली। यस, होप ये मैजिक आप लोगों को पसंद आ रहा होगा। ओके, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं। यस, थैंक यू ऑल आर लीजेंड। ओके, सब लीजेंड हो बेटा, आप भी लीजेंड हो, हम भी लीजेंड है। ओके, ईसोफेगस, नो बेटा, ईसोफेगस इज हैविंग द 25 सेंटीमीटर ना, 25 सेंटीमीटर। चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं। चलो आगे बढ़े, कॉलर को थोड़ा सा ऊपर चढ़ा के। चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं, चलो चलो चलो। ओके सर, सो आफ्टर दिस ऑल, यस, व्हाट इज द ड्यूट्स? D for duodenum, U for ureter, D for descending colon, E for esophagus, S for stomach. These all are having the 25 centimeter length. Okay, yes, संयम महाजन, हेलो बेटा, होप आप अच्छे हो। चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं। ओके सर, सो नाउ फ्यू मोर इंपॉर्टेंट रिलेशन डू यू रिमेंबर सर? 2S splenic vein plus supramesenteric vein is equal to portal vein. It is formed at the which level? L2, behind the neck of the pancreas. Sir, streamline phenomena. So the infection is reaching to the right lobe, left lobe is less commonly. That is the streamline phenomena. Okay sir, now try to understand for our pelvis and perineum. Yes, मानव जब जोर लगाता है पत्थर पानी बन जाता है। डू रिमेंबर? यह देख गगन मुझ में लय है, यह देख पवन मुझ में लय है, मुझ में विलीन झनकार सकल, लय है मुझ में संसार सकल। ये लाइनें आप हमारे रेगुलर क्लास से देख लेना। यस, रश्मि रति दिनकर जी की लाइनें हैं। जब भी बेटा जोश ठंडा हो जाए तो ये लाइन याद रखना, मानव जब जोर लगाता है पत्थर पानी बन जाता है। चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं। ओके सर, सो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड सर। The majority of the question from the perineum pelvis shifted to the ops gynae, but even the important points we are going to look. Yes, Dr. MK, thank you. So can you see the lithotomy position? In the lithotomy position, you will see there is our genital area and the anal canal. Yes, in the female there is our genital opening and urinary opening and genital opening, they are separate. So when you will do dissection, what are the boundaries of the perineum for the ops gynae? Sir, this is the perineum. Skin, superficial fascia, deep fascia, all the things you have removed. So entry boundary, pubic symphysis. Anterolateral boundary, ischiopubic rami. Sir, lateral boundary, ischial tuberosity. Sir, posterolateral boundary, sacrotuberous ligament, and posterior boundary, sacrum and the coccyx. Yes sir. So there is our two triangles. The imaginary line is passing through the our perineal body. So two triangles are formed. Anterior triangle, yes sir, urogenital triangle, and the posterior triangle, sir, that is our, you can remember, the anal triangle. So in urogenital triangle, urethra and vagina, and in the posterior triangle, anal canal opening is there, and at the center there is the perineal body which is having the 10 muscle insertion. Never cut this one in the our episiotomy operation. Agree beta? Okay sir, now try to understand further. Yes sir, look here sir, this is our perineal body. So total 10 muscles, 2 bulbospongiosus, sir, 2 superficial perineae, sir, 2 deep transverse perineae, and 2 levator ani muscle, and also there is a one rounded muscle, sphincter anal canal muscle, one. Okay, and also there is a one longitudinal muscle of the anal canal. So these are total 10 muscle. So never cut that 10 muscle. Yes, if you will cut that tail muscle, then what will happen? There will be the our prolapse of the uterus. Always give the your episiotomy mediolateral, never give on the back side beta. Okay, so this is our episiotomy operation. Otherwise there will be the prolapse of the uterus or the prolapse of the rectum, which you learn in your ops gynae and the surgery.